Recoil. I know a lot of people, you see them, I thought they were a pretty good brand. I have another buddy who's using a Recoil amplifier, and he really enjoys it for what it is. This here is the RED1800.5, which is a 5-channel amplifier. And at 4 ohms, it's, let's see, at 4 ohms, it's 140 watts by 4. And then the 5th channel is 600 watts at 4. It says here at 1 ohm, the 5th channel was 1280 watts. That's some pretty good power for, you know, 140 by 4 is some good power, and then to add that there is pretty good, right? So it does come with the remote bass knob and all of that, the goodies. Let's go ahead and just bust this out of the box, because I haven't actually put my eyeballs on this one in particular. So regular phone cable, it looks like, for the remote bass knob. All right, so before we get to the amplifier, let's just look at the stuff here. Comes with a small little bass knob, and it does have a little clip indicator. I'm trying to fight in the light here, the sun, but it does come with a little clip indicator, which is nice, right? I'd like to know if we're clipping. We won't have the gain up so far, because that little subwoofer ain't gonna be able to take all of that power. Cool thing about Recoil is they give you a bunch of ferrules, which is dope. They're a little long, but whatever, crimp them down and then snip them down, but that's cool there. Anyway, here is the amplifier. So it's not huge. I don't have a tape measure on me. Measurements, you can find that online. But yeah, here is the business end, or I guess we would call this the dummy end, right? Because it's just got your ground remote power, which all look like 0 gauge, and then you have your 5 channels, or just like any other 5-channel amp. So what's cool here is you have channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, but for the 5th channel you actually have 2 sets of inputs. They're internally bridged, it's not 2 separate channels, but it's internally bridged, so but you can hook 2 sets of leads up if you need to be. Now over here on the smart end, as we like to call it, you have your 6 channels in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 left, 5 right. You have a few different ways to turn on the amplifier. DC, I'm not sure what Vox is, and then remote, I just run the remote. This is a cool thing, is that they have 2-channel switch, 4-channel switch, and a 5-channel switch. My amplifier that I'm running, that's a 5-channel, only has a 4-channel and 5-channel. Word of advice is, if you only using 2 channels, you only hook up the RCAs to what you're using. All right, that's another way around things. But on your crossovers here, you have your typical, you get your gain for channel 1 and 2, right? And then you have low pass, high pass, and full, and then your frequency. And then for your channel 3 and 4, you have the same thing: gain, high pass, full, low pass, and your frequency. And then for the subwoofer, you have gain, subsonic, bass boost, and low pass filter, and then a spot for your remote. So anyway, it's a good looking little small amp, and I think it was what, $200 roughly? Somewhere around 200, 250. I'll do a price list for you guys a little later. But so here's the truck. It does have